Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to change the passcode on your Telegram app, lock on PC with the latest update. This process helps ensure your account stays secure and private. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap on the three lines icon. This opens the main menu. Next, click on Settings from the menu options. Inside Settings, scroll down a bit and select Privacy and Security. This section holds all your security features. Within Privacy and Security, find and tap on Local Passcode. This is where your account lock settings are managed. Now, click on Change Passcode. You'll be prompted to enter your current passcode to confirm it's really you making this change. Once you've entered your old passcode, click on Next. Here, you'll enter your new passcode, something strong and easy for you to remember. After typing your new passcode, click Continue. To make sure you didn't make a mistake, you'll need to rewrite the new passcode and then tap Next again to finalize the change. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Telegram app lock passcode on your PC. From now on, you'll use this new passcode to unlock your Telegram chats and keep your messages secure. Remember, it's important to keep your passcode confidential and avoid sharing it with others to maintain your privacy. If you ever forget your passcode, you can simply log out of Telegram desktop and sign back in to reset it. This quick update to your passcode ensures your conversations remain safe on your Telegram PC app. Thanks for watching.